Hi everyone, welcome back to the Schwowin's Nest. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm really excited to be starting the year 2020 on my YouTube channel. I'm going to make a few small little changes, but I also want to have some input from you, my subscribers, who I really value your support, your viewership, and I really appreciate you hanging around with me and coming to see what I'm doing. I'd like to know what you would like me to do this year. I love doing trash to treasure and thrift upcycling. I want to get into a little bit of organization. I'm standing in my craft room right now and it is a horrible mess. You can't see that because I've got the closet doors shut and everything else is spread out in front of me here. This also doubles as my full-time office. So I want to make it a space that is calming and relaxing and will help me get motivated to do the things I need to do on a daily basis. I would love to also collab with some of you this year. So if you're interested in doing a collab, let me know in the comments box and I'll connect with you and we'll set something up.
I couldn't believe it when I opened up one of my Christmas gifts and it was a new tripod for my smartphone. I'm still using my smartphone for my YouTube videos and it works really well for me so far, but the tripod I was using was homemade. I'll show that to you later. The main reason that I picked this one out is because it was nice and sturdy. It's got a nice aluminum frame. It's a real tripod. It can also be used as a selfie stick, but it actually goes up to 47 inches. So that's almost 4 feet high. So it'll be really great for when I'm doing some furniture flipping and when I need to have it stand on the floor. So it comes with a little handle that allows you to move the camera up and down if you need it. It also comes with a cell phone holder, and then it also has a remote, which I think is kind of neat. It's for iOS and for Android. I'm not sure that I'm going to be using that yet, but it probably will come in handy as well when I'm doing things away from the tripod and I just need to stop the camera real quick. So opening up the bottom part, I saw that it has a lot of great adjustment features. So it can actually go all the way down and be a real solid tripod. And I think I would probably have it completely open like this and tighten it up when it's on the floor so it just doesn't tip over. But for my usage on my table most of the time, I'll probably just have it in this position. The next adjustment is at the very top, and this is where the phone holder goes on and also where your camera would screw right onto it, and you can adjust that back and forth and then tighten it up. The tripod has 4 locking snaps that allow you to open them up and then adjust the height of the tripod. And when you're done with it, you can simply open it up and slide it back down into the travel or portable position. I really thought this was a neat feature, and that's one of the reasons why I got this one. Now I'm going to connect the cell phone holder, and it's just a piece that screws onto the top part that you can see here, and it just opens and closes really easily and clamps onto your cell phone. And the other reason why I picked this one up is because it can expand really nicely and it will allow me to use my cell phone without having to remove the case. That's been a problem for me because I've always needed to remove the case with my previous selfie stick that I was using. And so my case is getting really loose, and that's not good for me because I tend to drop my phone a lot. So here you can see that I've just simply screwed on the phone attachment. One more adjustment that you can make with this is to decide how you want the angle of the phone to sit. So because I use my cell phone quite often, I usually have it in a downward facing position, and I'll be able to very easily put my phone in here and tighten it up and it won't wobble around. The other cool thing about this tripod is that it can also be used as a selfie stick with your smartphone, the way I have mine attached here, and you just undo one of the locking mechanisms and extend the pole as long as you need it. This is a view of the selfie stick that I was using with my self-made tripod holder. So this is a lantern, and I just put the selfie stick in there and jammed some little wood pieces in. It worked for the time being. I had some glass beads in the bottom, using that as a weight to hold it in place, but it tended to tip over whenever I had the extender up too high. But for the time being and for my past year of doing YouTube videos, it has served me well. But I'm really excited to have something a little bit more sturdy and professional to use this year.
Today is Friday, January 3rd, and the reason I'm telling you the date is because this is an open invite to a Trash to Treasure challenge. I am hosting this challenge, and my co-host is Lisa from Lisa and Company. What we'd like you to do is please participate, for one. Secondly, we'd like you to go to a thrift store, to a secondhand store, maybe something that you picked up at a garage sale, even something that's in your home that you would like to upcycle or repurpose. There's no theme for this, so it could be winter, it could be Valentine's, it could be just something that you decided that you wanted to create for some home decor. So for this challenge, we don't want you to use trash. We don't want you to use any recycled items or paper or cardboard. We want you to actually find a home decor piece, something like a picture frame. If it's something small, it could be as big as a piece of furniture, or maybe it's a tray that you'd like to make over. The upload date will be Friday, January 17th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will have the playlist link in my community on Wednesday, January 16th by 10 p.m. in the evening. That should give you enough time to get your video on the playlist. Make sure you keep it private until 8 a.m. Friday morning. So here are the rules. You must be subscribed to my channel, The Schwowin's Nest, and Lisa's channel, Lisa and Company. You also need to have our channel links in your description box on the video that you're uploading. We'd also like you to include the playlist link so everybody has access to all of the wonderful things that everyone's going to be doing. We hope you're going to be participating, and we hope that you'll have a lot of fun doing it. Show us what you did to create your trash to treasure.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Trash to Treasure and lots of great videos for 2020. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click that red button, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. See you in the next one.